Hello, adab, namaskar, sat sri akal, and a very good evening to all you happy people. Today we come to you from the estate of Mr. Sukhwant Singh Babbar, and to welcome me here, we've got an Impala which is collected from the Hyderabad stables, an absolute beauty, 1959 Chevy Impala. We will take a ride in it. Chalo. And you can hear it start. Automatic transmission, beautifully maintained. You can see the wings at the back. Just an absolute head turner. And we will go into his estate. Beautiful part of just outside the city of Indore. And the Chevy Impala. थोड़ा दबाइए. There you can hear the engine purring, restoration of cars, but doing something like this also takes a lot of effort. There you go, no more power steering, so does not very easy to maneuver, to be honest, but automatic transmission and all meters working beautifully, the red steering wheel, and here we come. Just a lovely estate, very passionate collector. Absolute beauty. And the entrance to the house. And we bring you these cars up close and personal in just a while. So the one magical thing about Sukhwant Dada's stable is that each time you open a stable, it produces a stallion. Hello. So today we come to you from the stables of Mr. Sukhwant Singh Babbar, a very passionate collector of vintage cars. As you can see, he's standing in front of an Impala, and he will tell you a bit of history about where it came from.
Hi. This car I picked it up in 2011. She's Impala 6-cylinder, made in Canada. That's how you see it's right-hand drive. These cars were made for countries like India or other places where we have to follow the left-hand rule. Had done no mileage, and it belonged to four brothers, cousins of Mr. Salarjung, the famous personality, famous for so many things. When I saw this car, I said yes. So I had to tackle all the four brothers. The problem was the tires had totally given up because she was lying locked for decades. Had done nothing much of mileage. The chrome was intact. The car had to be only repainted. And the fantastic part was, because I think the brothers were wary of each other, they had made a garage with walls of all the four sides, so car cannot come out. And one wheel cap was missing, which I was able to get from USA. Otherwise the car almost I felt was good. And of course the carburetor was not there. That again they had taken it out. So when we said, look, here's the money, please kindly be kind enough to let me take the car. They say, you got to take the car, manage your way. So we broke one side of the garage from one side.
And we will show you the car up close and personal with Dada. And let's go because the most beautiful thing about this car is the wings and the interior, which is all in original shape. There you go. And you can see the wings in absolutely stunning condition. And that's not the only one. We are coming to another one shortly. So this is Dada's second baby. It's from the state of Jhabua, Packard, 1931. So Dada, please tell us about this absolute stunning beauty that you have. It's one of your babies. How many do you have?
9.
9 babies, all right. So this is number 2, baby number 2, and Dada will give you a bit of history about it. Just an absolutely stunning car, to be honest. It beats a lot of Rolls according to me.
Hello. I would like to tell you a small story about this car. I was asked by one of the royal family members when I was 8 years old. Because my father was also very fond of cars, but he went for those days in 57, 1960 Chevrolets or Mercedes. And somehow he just told me, why don't you come and have a look at my uncle's car, that's Packard. I just went and I saw this car, had not a single scratch. It was like as if the car had just come out of the showroom. And you see the windshield? The windshield.
Yeah.
Now this is not original. When I got the car, it was broken. Otherwise, this windshield was made by Ray-Bans.
Wow.
Yellow tint. The tint was yellow. I'm still looking for if somebody can make the same glass, but I'm not successful at that. Ray-Bans do not make these glasses for motor cars.
But this is an absolute beauty. How long did it take you to get it back into shape?
3 years.
Wow.
Because car had no problem, except I wanted everything original. So I contacted Packard Club in Chicago. And they started, they took about 6 months to make a study of this car. And 1931 Packard, I think, is the only model in the country
Wow.
as of today. And she's in immaculate shape. She's just done 8,000 miles on the clock. And if you see this grill above a grill, because Jhabua was a small state, they had to protect the original grill from the birds and the other things. So they had made an extra grill so no bird or anything could get into the original one and damage the car. Otherwise, this car is in excellent shape and many people have come and appreciated it. I had to repaint the car, to be very frank, because after Maharaja died, I think he was the kindest human I've seen in my life. Ajit Singh Ji. Ajit Singh Ji told his sons, he says, I know you guys are not that interested in the motor cars. The car is getting rotted. And they had parked this car in a garage where they had also put the cement bags because they were making a building. So that had damaged the car. That had damaged the windshield. Okay, this car needed nothing. But then, to my bad luck or good luck, Maharaj Sahab, when he met me, the present Maharaj, and he said, my father's wish was that you take this car.
How nice.
I said, Maharaj Sahab, take it.
How nice.
My love for the old cars started with this one, from the age of 8.
It's an absolute beauty, and we shall show it to everyone closer,
Yeah.
so everyone can actually appreciate the car.
Yeah.
If you see
Sorry.
the Packard alloy spoke wheels, the spare, it's in immaculate condition. The inside, it's too dark, but anyway, we will give it our best. The leg room at the back where the Maharaj sat, which is now
This is
Mr.
for his-
Sukhwant Dada,
servants.
and that is for the staff over here. The jump seats in absolutely immaculate condition. A lovely, lovely Packard. I'm sure it's one of a kind, as Sukhwant Dada told you, the only one in India for sure. Thank you, Sukhwant Dada.
Thank you, sir.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now we come to a car which is very close to everyone's heart. So, I have finally found, which I've been searching for, an original Ford, very painstakingly put together by Sukhwant Dada and his team. I have checked all the variables of this. Everything in this beauty is original. So, any Bhopali who's watching this and wants to see an original Ford, here it is in Sukhwant Dada's stables. It is a beautifully restored vehicle. I've actually checked each and every aspect of it, and I'll let Sukhwant Dada give you the history of how he came about and how this Ford came and why every bolt and the hitch, the engine, everything has the insignia of the F for Ford.
Hello. This Jeep came, I say, out of my good luck. I saw this car when it was being done at the local workshop. The gentleman, Feroz, he has been good at it, and he told me I'll never get a piece like that. So I gave him the advance and I settled the price, and rest I left it on to him. Because he knew Jeeps, frankly my knowledge on Jeeps was little less. I wouldn't lie on that. But the car is pretty original. Now I have learned few things and I would like to take this car back. Now you see, number one, I would like to go back to its original color, which it had olive green, that's one. And number two, the only defect or the deviation from the originality was the gentleman in his own wisdom had put this Rexine seats.
Alright, so you want to change it to canvas?
I would like to change the canvas.
Yeah, the last Jeep we actually covered was Khosrow Bhai's 6 volt and 12 volt, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a 6 volt
Yeah.
Ford. He had got the original canvas seats with the original canvas hood.
Correct. So everything was there, so I would like to do a bit of my brainstorming and do this. And I think this car is one of the best pieces that I have seen. I'm sure there must be better cars in Hyderabad and Bhopal.
No, to be honest, Dada, this is probably one of the nicest Fords that I have come across. Both of Khosrow Bhai's were Willys MBs. This is a Ford GPW, ladies and gentlemen. I will show you the insignia shortly all around this beauty. Although Sukhwant Dada is being critical about the seats are actually done beautifully. Yes, canvas would look better, but there's no, the seats are not coming short of anything. Also, this under the back, under the rear seat is, he has the original pump to fill air in the tires. We'll show you that as well.
Okay. The only one thing to say, I had about 3 or 4 people coming from Bhopal. They wanted this car at any price, but this is not for sale, you know. So I know this car is very, Jeeps are mighty favorite with.
Bhopalis, yeah.
Bhopalis.
And
So
also,
all the best to everybody.
thank you, Sukhwant Dada, and ladies and gentlemen, this is just the 3 that we've covered today. Sukhwant Dada has another 30, which gives us an opportunity to come back to his estate once more and get used to his hospitality.
Anytime, most welcome.
Okay, so just to show you the car up close and personal, you have the Ford insignia right here. In case you can't see it, here it is. It's everything is original. The blackout lamp. It's in 6 volt. It's got the helper leaf springs which help balance the car. It's a 8-9 leaf spring combination. The shovel and the axe. Everything on the dash is original, including the meters. The foot start has been changed. As I told you, the upholstery done beautifully. It's got the air pump under the seat. The male socket, the reflectors, the hitch again is original Ford. The reflectors here, the wireless kit, and the box that drives the wireless kit is under here. All the plates. These are restored plates because the old ones actually you can't read much on it. This one doesn't even have the free wheels, so it's got the original wheels. The engine is also that of a Ford. We'll just show it in a bit. So that is the engine. It's an original Ford engine. Somehow I can't get the camera to get the F of Ford. But overall, a stunning job of restoration done. And finally, we have a first Ford. And it appears that Indore has beaten the famous Bhopal in us discovering the first Ford. So have a good day and thank you very much.